Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Trello API with OAuth 1.08 detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Trello API with OAuth 1.0a, begin by creating a Trello account if you haven't already. Visit the Trello developer website to create a new application. Click on the Create New Application button. Fill in the required details, such as the application name and a short description. For the callback URL, use a placeholder URL for now, as you can modify it later. After submitting, note down your API key displayed on the application page. Next, generate a token by constructing a request URL. The request URL should include your API key and the necessary parameters. Open your web browser and navigate to the constructed URL to initiate the authorization process. Authorize access to your Trello account when prompted. This will redirect you to a page displaying your generated token. Copy the token and keep it secure, as you will need it for API requests. Now, to make API calls, start by including the OAuth signature. Configure your requests for signing with your API key and generated token. Make sure to follow the OAuth 1.0 protocol accurately. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the Trello developer documentation for guidance. Test your authentication by making a simple API request to fetch your boards. Ensure you handle responses and errors appropriately in your application. By following these steps, you will successfully authenticate the Trello API using OAuth 1.0a. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.